What's up, good people? It's your boy Mr. Crypto Boss here. So, guys, let's check on how the week has been. We'll start on 19th, which was on Sunday. So, on Sunday night at 11:20 p.m., I shared this setup on gold while the market was at around 40, it was 40.70. And market dropped to first, it dropped to 4,000, which was the target, so that is 170 pips. But later I saw that the market will keep on dropping. Um, Market has opened with a gap. Okay, yeah. Uh-huh. I said market will probably drop further to 39, around 39, around 39.76. But the market dropped to 39, was it 39.82, around that level? Yeah, that was Monday. That was on July 20th. I shared this setup. I shared this setup. Shared the setup. Then market came and respected it. That was on Tuesday now. Market had gone up to 400 plus pips by then. And then here I updated them and told them, if you're holding those buys, keep holding. We are heading for 130. At that time the current market was at around 40.60. So from 60 to 4100, that's 400 pips. Then 300, that's a total of 700 pips. Then this was now on Wednesday. On Wednesday I shared this setup, so I expected the market to drop a little bit and then continue with the buys. Actually, personally, I did a very silly mistake which costed me a lot. That was on Wednesday. I took sales expecting the market to first drop before the buys. But the market made sales which were less than 100 pips, and then it reversed and bought more than 1,000 pips, if I'm not wrong. But the buyers was very correct, the buy buyers. So for those who had held the first entries from Tuesday, they made very, very good money. So I've not shared any other trades this week on the Telegram channel. I've come to realize that most people are having a challenge with their Telegram. So I just decided to go back to WhatsApp. You can see I shared my WhatsApp group link there so that guys can join back, can join on WhatsApp, those who are not there. So let's see on WhatsApp what has been happening there. So we'll start with but for Monday, Tuesday, those are just the same setups as the ones I've been sharing. So you can see on Sunday night, the same setup. I shared there everything. These are just the same ones I had shared there on Telegram. You can see. Now on Wednesday, you can see. I later shared another setup. Yeah, which was this one. And the setup gave us more than 150. Then you can see I had this black line. I had marked an FVG on 3 minutes. Market came and respected it and bought very crazy, but I did not get the buy that entry. By then I was not near my laptop. Yeah. Again yesterday. So Wednesday and yesterday, it's been a very, very bad days for me. And yeah, I just want guys, those buying gold, check 1 hour. That is also a clear sell to 4100, stock 4080. Very nice. So you can see after the market opened yesterday, it made this kind of a move. Then yeah, I shared with the guys. I told them I'll expect this one to be filled. So 4080 is a possible so 4080 is a possibility of market coming, right? Yeah. My guy here had seen market might buy. I told him take care. Market respected 40 that okay, yeah, for those buys, 41.35 is a key zone to watch. M30 market might respect and sell hard. You see that? Market respected around 40.33. Remember, we don't just deal with a single price, we deal with the zones, a range of prices. So it was valid on. Market respected and it dropped massively. I had expected market to come to that 40 80 and then buy, but the market was very volatile. The volume was very high, so market broke. You can see my guy also shared this sell on gold. Um, I had not seen this consolidation actually on. He saw it on M5, shared it, and market broke out of it very impulsive. Then later, I saw that Iran had issued a statement where they had attacked the is it ships or American troops, something like that. And Trump on the other hand was saying something and so on. So the market just dropped massively. But when you check on the market again, you will see the market had formed what we call an head and shoulders pattern on 1 hour. 30 minutes it was as well clear. And you can see how the market broke the zones, the 40 80. It was very impassive. It was very impassive move. So when you see you have a point of interest and the market is very strong or the volume is very high, you better avoid taking the trade you are to take most. In most cases, that's gonna be a true breakout and market will continue with the direction it is on. Today morning I shared this. This was a gold sell and also a GBP USD sell. So a few minutes after that, this was a 546 608. So less than 30 minutes, gold dropped massively, 200 plus pips. Yeah. Then I had shared these setups. This one was on oil, GBP USD, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and also I shared another one on gold. And market might go up to 40. You see, I said market might go up to 40.75 to 40.90 before sales. And said watch 40.45 for possible buys, and exactly this happened. Market came to 40.45 and then it bought to 40.75. So how many pips were those? 55, 65, 75. Those are 300 pips for those who got those moves. Yeah, I did that also on TikTok live because I went live. I shared the link for guys to join there. Nasdaq, while on live, we had seen it might go a little bit up and then come down. But a few minutes later, I saw that gold was selling. So Nasdaq and gold they intend to go they follow the same direction. So I said gold is selling. Nasdaq will follow any minute, right? Then during the TikTok live, I had shared a gold sell at 40.60, what around 40.63. You can see also my guy here had made an analysis and shared the setup. He's a beginner actually, and he was happy after analyzing and the market respecting his setup. Yeah, I also said watch gold 40.40 to 40.20. We have possible inverse head and shoulders. Same to so that all of it was arranged. Um, For Nasdaq, you can see after the 430 kill zone, whatever you call it, you can see how the market dropped massively, right? Also, yeah, those who joined the TikTok live up, you got the buys. That was on gold because I had analyzed it, and also I had shared here on the group. So that is how our week has been. That's how our week has been. But personally, this week I made some silly mistakes. So these are the results for those for the other trades which I had shared. So like for US oil, they trade it stop loss. For GBP USD, you can see the market is still doing well. Bitcoin doing very well. Nasdaq very well. For gold, market ready to went up, But I had explained that in our live and also made an update. So on gold, everything is okay, even if this one on the setup market went for the SL. So that is how the week has been. But personally, I did a very silly mistake whereby it costed me a lot. Cause this week I lost this favors account. It was a $7,500 account. I lost it on. I made losses on Wednesday and yesterday, and losing the account. And also on my personal account, I also made some silly mistakes. Let's say this week was Monday to today. So okay, on this account the deposit is only $12, so that's not the one. Let me check on the other account. Um, we have this account. I made a deposit of $287. So, on the 7,500 dollars, the capital I was able to control is 10%, which is $750. So I lost $750. I lost this one, which is 287. The other one, which is 12. So let's say that's around $300. I don't know whether this other account. Did I have anything in this account this week? Let me see. On this week, 53. So 300 plus 53, that is 353. And then on my fourth account, not sure whether this one had anything. Let's see. Okay, that one is not going through. 196, 574. So it's been a very tough week. It's been a very tough week for me, man. But anyway, no giving up. We will be right back. No giving up. We will be back. So that's how our week has been. That's how my week has been as well. See you next week, guys. Next week I'll be purchasing another pro farm on funding pips. I'll decide whether funding pips or fivers, a 5K account. Yeah, I just purchase a small account, then I grow it. Because if it's fivers, after you are done with phase one, phase two, you hit the target, which is 10% of the live account. They scale up your account to 7,500, like that. Yeah, but I'll decide on which one to do. Then I'll be updating you on the progress. Yo, bye bye.